Hello, thank you for watching this video. It's really short and it's straight to the point. Basically, I just want to introduce the new Become Freelance Manager. I just want to show you what you can do for yourself. It's pretty simple, straightforward. I'm somebody who has been in the freelancing world for over 10 years, and I have freelance organization that's been going on for the last 7 years, and we do a lot of business with the U.S. clients. I'm a U.S. citizen, and I'm European citizen as well. So basically, the good thing about that is that it's all legal, taxable. You can be in 1099, etc. So basically, the point is that I offer great services. Affordable services and people like that, and I have quite a few templates. I just want to show you the way to market everything that I talked about before, or that you've seen on the landing page. Let's say you want to make money and you want to, you got to work a little bit. If you don't work, you're not going to make any money. But this is really simple. Let's say you don't know anything about web design, or you don't know anything about anything, or you just don't want to work. It doesn't matter to me. But this is the point. There's gigs and there is jobs. Either way, you can always find things. Let's say this is a Craigslist. I'm going to show you the easiest way. Uh, Everybody's looking for a web designer. Look, there's a lot of people looking for a web designer. There's so many people looking for a web designer. The only point is to be fast when the new one comes up, and most of them will say they're looking for somebody local, which is fine. These people pay 50 per hour. But let's say you don't know anything about web design, but I do. My people do, and we have a great web designer. They can do video editing, they can do graphic design, they can do VR, virtual reality. We can do a lot of stuff. So we're looking for a designer, not a programmer. Coding skill is a plus but not required. So these people are looking for that. And you have design using Visual Composer. This is really simple, and the good thing about this is anybody can do this. But maybe they are looking for somebody. Let's say in most cases they look for somebody local, because these people will get a lot of emails. And you click reply, and then you send the template we already have for you. Or you just tell them, look, I'm a great web designer with experience, and we've done a lot of pages and everything. Then you ask me for the if you first ask him, what, if this can be done remotely, it would be a lot cheaper, and you would get the same quality of work by American citizens abroad. So basically, somebody, if not in the US right now, but American citizen, could this be done remotely? If they say yes, that means we're in. And basically, all it takes is for me to give him a call or send him an email and tell him, look, this are our samples, examples, whatever, and you can come back to us, and we'll do the job for you. And let's say this guy wants to pay 50 per hour, and I tell him, look, I'll do it 25 per hour. You'll get on this, if we get him for 25 per hour, you would get at least 5 per hour. So let's say there is 100 hours. 100 hours. This guy needs a lot of website. You would get $500. If it's done in a month, you get paid in a month. If it's done sooner or later, it doesn't matter. You get paid when we get paid. So that's the point. But this is one way to look at the marketing. There is other ways as well that I'm gonna show in the other videos. But this is just a simple thing that I want to show you. And you don't have to go to New York. You can go to any other city. You can go to Craigslist. You can go to Yelp. You can go to a lot of other places. You can go to Yelp and just send contact forms. You can go to you can do a lot of marketing, and I'll show you the market. I just want to see if you're interested, and I'm going to show you a lot more in terms of what you can expect and what you can do, because this is just web design. This is just simple. There is graphic design. There's bookkeeping, really great, that a lot of money can be made there. There is programming. There is virtual reality. There is dispatching, truck dispatching. We're really experienced with all of that. And there is also what did I miss? Real estate. Like, there is so many jobs for real estate. Loan processing, leads list. I have over 500 million leads. I have email marketing. I have private servers to send millions of emails. So why I don't do it is because I'm not spammer. I don't want to spam people. These are people already looking for somebody, and I just need somebody like you to contact them, because I really don't have much time. My people work, they don't have much time, but we can expand and we can build more teams. So let's say you get this guy, we work for him, and we work for him for next 10 years. You're going to be getting paid for the next 10 years. Let's say you get this guy and few more guys, then you become a manager. You have to get a little more involved. You have to know who is doing what. I introduce you to people, you talk to them, you're in charge of them, you're in charge of the projects. So basically this is a growing position. You can grow a lot and you can make a lot more money. So that's the idea. And there is so many, as you can see here. I just went to New York Craigslist. There is so many people here that can get contacted. These are just gigs. These are gigs. Let's go back and let's go back to jobs. Now look at this. This even like double, triple, whatever. Let's say sales. I have telemarketers, native English speakers. I do have an accent. My girls and guys who are doing the calling, they don't. Most of them lived in the United States for a lot of years, or the most of their life, or were born there, and they went out to South America or Europe or whatever, and they're calling right now. So they can do that as well. Now here you can see if they're asking for commission only, we can't do that. We are only looking for an hour. Looking for star real estate agents, we can't do that. Work at home part-time assistant for real estate brokers. So this one, for example, this I know we can do. 10 to 15 hours work from home. Maybe he needs organization, friendly phone skills. So he needs somebody on the phone. He needs somebody to CMA, that's the systems, to update the systems, to update the leads, basically to do the things that he doesn't want to do. It's simple. You send him a message, reply. You send him an email message. Let's not do this right now. And you send him an email message. Hi, I saw your Craigslist ad, and I would send you. There it is. You just send email to this one. Copy and paste into your email. So you just send it like this. Hi, I've seen your Craigslist ad. I'm interested in this job. If this can be done remotely, I have somebody who is, or you can just say, I'm very experienced. You just say like you're getting the job. I'm very experienced. I have experience in real estate. I have experience with CMRs. I have experience with real estate, spreadsheet, Google Docs, pretty much cold calling, telemarketing. I've really experienced with, I've been experienced in real estate. And if they talk about, let's say, loan processing, you can say residential, commercial, hard money, whatever. I would give you all the details. And then once they say, okay, great, then I jump in, or somebody from my team jumps in, talks to them, and I tell you, look, we got the job. Now, this is the thing. He's going to be paying us, he says, experience based. Let's say we offer him 12 per hour, and it's 10 to 15 hours a week. You get $2 an hour. But you might think that's low, but you're not doing anything for that $2 an hour. You'll never do anything for that $2 an hour, and you'll always get paid. And my idea is you don't have to do anything anymore for the rest of your life if you get 50 clients and you don't care about it. But I know that people who do this already for me, and I have few. That's why I'm starting this to get more, because it works out great for them and for me as well. They're making money. There is a lot of students right now that I'm talking to, and they're making money. And they're not doing anything. They go to school, they come back, they reply to these posts, and they're in the US, most of them. And then they talk to people as well. You can talk to people if you want. I can set you up with a US phone number. It's an free application where you get a free US phone number. You can send messages, but they can call you as well. So it's really up to you how you want to handle this. Really, really up to you. So if you want to start this, send me an email, send me your resume, CV, whatever. Let me see who you are. You need to be somebody who is organized. You need to be somebody who is polite, and you can make money on this. You can really make money on this. This is not a scam. This is not get rich fast. This is work. If you work, you'll get money. But you don't have to have any skills. That's the good thing. You don't have to have any. You don't have to have any knowledge. You don't have to have anything. I have a cloud-based call center where people can jump and make so many calls per day, the fastest online. I have people. Basically, you become a manager. You find few projects and you become a manager. You manage those people. You find them more work. You manage them more. So you can expand your team. So basically, you get everything on a platter. And you can basically post, for example, on Craigslist for free right now. You can post a resume. You can post a resume right there for free if you have a US phone number. And let's say you post a resume. I'm a web designer. I do this, I do that. You don't even do it. You don't even know anything about web design. And they contact you. We need a website. You just tell me, look, that's the email. I include you in the blind copy, so they don't see you, but I include you as well, and you see that what we talk about. Because I would include you in everything. I don't need to scam you or scam anybody. I just want to work, and I just want to have, make money, same as you. That's pretty much it. Thanks for your time. If there is any questions, you feel free to ask me. I'm gonna upload this video most likely on YouTube, and then you can get back to me. Just send a comment or whatever else, or just send me an email. I'm gonna give you my email and all the details. And there will be more videos on marketing, how you can do it and what you can do to make money. And this is, again, not a scam. This is not, you can work from home, you can work from anywhere. I don't care where you are. As long as we find jobs, we can make money. Okay, thanks for your time. Bye bye.